Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you could make your own map and color it and customize it, and of course download it at the end. So of course get into your favorite web browser, type in this link that I'm going to leave in the description down below, and of course I'm just going to pick any kind of map from these drop down menus. I've got a lot of things right here that I'm not going to get into. I'm not going to get into every single thing, but I'm just going to give a little example. So let's for example choose Europe right here with countries as just a random map example. So of course here we got the European continent. So of course step one is to color. So of course I'm just gonna choose a random color, green for example, paint these two, and whenever you select countries with the color will appear here with a label on it, so we can name it anything we want. I'm not gonna name anything because I have a lot of shortcuts on OBS, but that's about it. So in the Europe thing, of course there's going to be an extremely specific thing where you could split the UK into countries, or you could just make it all united at once. You could also show country names, so of course we got the names of the countries that are in the European continent, and of course the background colors, so we can make it gray, we can make it red if you want to for some reason. What I just like it to be white or blue to represent the ocean, which I kind of find a little nice. You could also change the border color too, so for example each country has a green border, but I prefer it to be black because it's just more, popular. Let's choose another color. For example, I'm just going to choose this blue here. I'm going to paint these parts, or color these little countries here too. And I'm going to name this anything. You could also name it anything, or you could remove this entire part, which means all of the things, all the countries that were painted in blue will be gone if you click on the X. Same thing goes for this label too. So I'm just going to repaint them again. And you could also undo coloring with all of these countries that you've colored, the same thing, so undo coloring with Germany or something like that. That's how it works. So you could also name everything, and of course you could also title this entire map. Once you click preview map, and of course once you're done with the entire coloring and naming the labels, and or rather labeling the colors, it's finally time now to download it. Of course, there are additional features here like save with the upload into the map configuration right here. It's not going to actually download it, but I'll show you how to download it right now. So of course you could either clear the entire colors right here if you want to, but I usually don't like that. I just like to separately get rid of everything, but you could do it if you want to. And now it's finally time to download your map. So of course we just click preview map, give it a quick second right here. And finally, it's going to tell you a little prompt here that you can just simply scroll down here, and there we go. We've got download map. Click on it, and there we go. It's just a few milliseconds you got your map fully downloaded. I'm just going to double click on it very quickly. And I'm just going to give it a quick second right here to fully load, and there we go. Of course, these little things, if I named them, there would be the name. For example, this green part, I would name it Western Europe, for example. It would show right here, Western Europe. If I titled the map, for example, right here, it would obviously show the name of the entire map right here. So it's kind of like the key section, the key section that would usually be in like the corner of maps, for example. That's the kind of thing that this map chart website is going for. It's going forward for more of a map thing. And there we go. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.